Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the adapter and the micro SD. Look for the notch and gold pins. That tells you orientation. Once done, verify card specs like 32 GB or UHSI so compatibility is clear. Performance depends on class. Make sure the host is off or that the port supports hot swap. This prevents corruption. Gently align the card with the adapter slot, press until it clicks, and double-check the lock switch position so write protection is not enabled. With the adapter assembled, insert it into the reader or slot. Note the arrow or icon to guide you. Once inserted, open your operating system's disk utility or file explorer. The device should appear within seconds. If it's new or incompatible format, choose format. FAT32 for less or equal to 32 GB, XFAT for larger cards, or Ext4 for Linux devices. Make sure to select allocation unit size and label. Formatting wipes data, so confirm backup. Finish by safely ejecting the adapter from the operating system. This ensures all cached writes are committed. After ejection, test with a small 100 MB transfer to check read/write and verify file integrity. That confirms the card functions as expected. If the card isn't detected, try a different reader, inspect and clean contacts with compressed air, and make sure the adapter's write protect switch isn't enabled. If problems persist, test the micro SD in another device to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.